G'day everybody. I love wearing hats in these sessions, partly because when my hair's really short it looks good, I think. And when it's kind of like it, there's about a 3-day window where it looks okay when I gel it up, and the rest of the time it just looks rubbish. So I love wearing hats. Today I want to talk to you about the 3 things you should do every time you come back from a shoot. Number 1, charge your batteries. So your battery should come out at the end of every shoot and you should go charge it. Put it in your charger, do it as soon as you get home. Then out comes the memory card. Put the memory card into your machine and take off all the footage. If you don't, what happens is you get confused about what footage is where, what footage you've taken off your camera and what you haven't, what you want to save, and inevitably you end up losing it or having a full card on shoot, which leads me to my next point. Once you've done all of that, put your card back in and format it. Format your card. So once everything's off it and it's all safe, your card's getting chunky and full, then you want to format the card and it's like restarting again. By that time, your battery should be good to go, because there's nothing more frustrating than turning up to a shoot and turn your camera on and it blinks at you and then dies because your battery's flat. So always have charged batteries, always have empty memory cards, always format them, and have a wonderful shoot this week. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. You come back from a shoot. That is correct. Put it somewhere, preferably in your charger. Put it somewhere, 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 put it somewhere.